Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you all are safe in your home and you are safe from this COVID-19, and we have made some preventive measures to fight with coronavirus, and you can check out my channel for automatic hand sanitizer and DIY mask, and these are very easy projects you can try in your home. So you can check out the I button or the below description for the links of those videos. And you know, in this lockdown we are living our childhood. We are watching Ramayana, we are watching Mahabharata, and other many shows that we were used to watch in our childhood, right? So there was another show that was on Pogo, and it was named as Mad, and the host of that show was Rob. You must know him. He is a great DIY guru, and today also I am learning from that show. I used to learn from that show, and this guy is on YouTube and Instagram as Mad Stuff with Rob. So if you are living our childhood, then let's try to learn from his videos, and we will make something from his videos after learning it. So recently he uploaded a video on IGTV about how to make a origami paper star. So let's DIY this. So guys, if you like this idea, like this modification, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and yes, let me know your thoughts, your suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you guys can get an instant notification. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.